entry-level lifestyle property that has exceptional shedding, and I mean exceptional. Approximately 160 square metres, 3-phase power, the boats, the caravan, the car, the stock cars, whatever it might be. This shed is going to cater for everything. Did I mention there's a fantastic house sitting behind me, freshly redecorated, paint, carpet. It's sitting here, it's waiting for you, it'll be popular, great outlooks here, come on and check it out.
Someone to circle all the planets around us. Now that I've found you, I don't want no one else. It's our story to tell.
There you have it, folks. You've just seen 731 Stoney Creek Road. Sheds are on offer here. There's plenty of them. Fill them up with all your toys. This property is going to be popular, so give me a call to arrange your private viewing. Otherwise, I'll see you at the open home.